Yo, ka kon me witie gi Dewash256. Kisindelo dhano penjo ni Dewash256 menya nyola makune. Kon mami to wacho just a likkle biography paran Martin Manok. Yeah. Anabiri ja Padhola. Au ki to isabuga ma Amerikit. Parishma muvo ama wokiye. Ani bedo chako keto weli i online obedo ndira chele idami to were ma Padhola quick, but there was no way I could access them. Kimi to were aka inyitie denge Kampala mi to were beri bina dingi chalo nyake kwany were so apenjeri na team neji so ta mere paramo my edit YouTube channel to chako man. Every time you want job songs koni kito introduction koni ka diku ikada dengi chalo so tawani wangna meka ka di chalo alaki do choko were ma Padhola bung DJs chalo no yeah then tachako choko music tago eri artist megi akwayo jo right market the music channel so you megi jutera mena so yeah yeah menora me wachako keto were YouTube to yede dogo tie dhanu man maneno konge were ilongo ni DJ Easy Music Rider YouTube channel YouTube channel long DJ Easy Music Rider tegi were kwet maro magana chiel kwa gi mia didenge. So for him he used to put keto were yeah abenda mito chako keto were paka jam ameno won to were chako bino meno to were kada to bede were madita to ju were oji chako gora sim chako tiro da were pacho to wona chako keto were. Yeah, that's how we made Dewash256 live now. Adhola music to the top. Adhola kiss kamera.